My HD home run is not working so great anymore. It's kind of cutting out on me. It will, like, I'll scan for a minute and then I'll air out. I don't know if it has something to do with these lights flashing. Sometimes what I have been doing to fix it is I reboot the router, the modem. I don't really need to reboot the modem, but I got it all in the same power bar here. So what I'll do is I'll just unplug it and then restart it here and just give everything a reboot, and I'll see if that will. I don't normally stand it up like that, my home run, but I just want it to kind of connect with the router here. So I get usually what I'll get is that one dot there, and it will just stay green, but it seems to be flashing right now. So if you have, I'll zoom out here, if you have an HD home run, you can get the HD home run app for Android. Let's get some reflection off the light there, and you can get your channels. So I've scanned in my channels here, so I got all the channels I get, and I can get it on my phone here. So for example, if I want to watch something on PBS, I click that, and then it'll ask me if I want this program, which is or VLC. I'm going to say VLC just once. Turn the audio off. So there it is. The over-the-air TV streaming to my phone using the HD home run and the HD home run app. And it cut out of me. Now normally I would be able to show you a signal reading on this, but my HD home run, I rebooted my router and everything, and I'm not really getting anything there. Let me try it again because it kind of flashed and that dot is back to where it should be. Well, as I said, my HD home run is not working as well as it used to, and so I'm using my satellite receiver, my Z Gamma, really to stream my over-the-air channels to my other devices like my phone and my laptop. But I'm just showing that it does work. I find it's a hardware problem on the HD home runs end, but anyway, so I guess I can't do this demo very good. So I guess my question would be for people at Silicone Dust is, why is my HD home run have this flashing on it? So it tends to cut out on me a lot. So this HD home run, it has two ports, which I like because there's a power, there's the internet, and you can have two ports for cable or over the air. Now this one is just the only thing I can get with it is over the air. But if you had both, you can do that. But most of the newer ones only have one coax input. But it's kind of a shame this box is kind of on the fritz now. I did use it a lot. The one thing I did wish that I had, which I can't afford, would be the H264 encryption, because my local channel 11, which would be CKWS, is such a high bitrate channel. So when I try to watch it over my phone via the Wi-Fi through the router, it
it doesn't stay consistent because it's such a big, it's like really good quality video, but it's so high quality that it's hard to watch with Wi-Fi. Now you can watch it no problem with if you have a LAN connection, which is like one of these blue wires here. So yeah, that's another thing I should point out, is when you connect your HDhomeRun, you connect a LAN connection up to it. Maybe the newer ones have Wi-Fi, like just built into it, which would be kind of a neat, which would be neat if it had that, where you didn't really need a router to plug it into, but for some options. But this is the one I bought. I bought it used off eBay, but it seems to be it's doing this. I'm gonna unplug it. Maybe if I give it some time, unplug. Maybe give it a day of rest. If I give it a day of rest, hopefully it'll work again for me. But it just seems my HDhomeRun is struck out. Alright, this is Robbie Strike, just giving you my little review of the Silicon Dust HDhomeRun and the HDhomeRun app you can get at the App Store. What's the App Store? Not the App Store, the Android Google Play Store. And please like, share, and subscribe to all your share these videos with all your friends.
I have a pair of rabbit ears growing out of my head. It's crazy! I can receive TV signals off my head. It's crazy!